Kæru vinir, nú styttist í stórtónleika til heiðurs Ronnie James Dio á 75 ára afmælisári hans. Vinsamlegast komið ykkur vel fyrir og tónleikarnir hefjast eftir stundarkorn. Padavano Dio, sonur Ronnie James Dio, langar að segja nokkur orð í tilefni tónleikana.
Hey everybody, this is horror author Dan Padavano, the son of Ronnie James Dio. I want to thank everybody for coming out here today, for keeping heavy metal alive, and keeping my father's memory alive. It means a lot to our entire family. So one more time, for heavy metal, and for Ronnie James Dio, my father. Horns up.
Við þökkum Dan kærlega fyrir. Ronnie James Dio, maðurinn með ofurlungun hefði orðið 75 ára þann 10. júlí síðastliðinn. Hann lést eftir hetjulega baráttu við krabbamein þann 16. maí 2010. Dio tók þátt í að stofna og fór fyrir nokkuð mörgum hljómsveitum á sínum ferli. Þekktustu böndin eru án efa Rainbow, Black Sabbath og Dio. Tónlistaferill Dio hófst 1957 og stóð sleitulaust til ársins 2010, eða í 53 ár. Dio var fljótt þekktur fyrir kraftmikla rödd sína og líflega sviðsframkomu. Hann gerði hinn alþjóðlegu rockhorn að kveðju allra rockara, en þetta var eitthvað sem ammans kenndi honum ungum drengnum sem vernd gegn hinu illa. Textar Dio eru með sterka tengingu við hjátrú og ævintýri og Dio var alla tíð trúr sinni tónlist og hafði skýra sýn á rockið. Fyrri hluti tónleikana í kvöld verður stutt yfirlit yfir feril þessa mikla meistara og í flutningi frábæra listamanna sem hafa verið valdir af mikilli kostgæfni. Takið vel á móti hljómsveit hússins, The First in Line.
Well, she's handsome, she's got everything a woman could need. And she'll dance on, she can't follow, cause she only can lead. But she is real good, she never misses day of school. And her eyes could make you stop to feel like a fool. And she go big time, always got her head in the pie. She drinks good wine, never had no reason to cry. Well, she don't smoke much, always got a natural high. But you can't touch, she'll shake you up so much that you die. She can follow 'cause she only can lead. Oh, but she's feel good, but never missed a day out of school. And a black guy's good, make you start to feel like a fool. Oh yeah, she's so good, she's not good at all. She's so good, she's no good at all. Oh, hootsy hootsy lady trying to be popular with you. Hootsy hootsy lady trying to be popular with you. Oh yeah, yeah. Hootsy hootsy lady, hootsy hootsy lady, hootsy hootsy lady, yeah, hootsy hootsy lady. Oh, alright. Takk fyrir. Góði gestar, ekki annar en Steppi Jak mættur hérna á svæðinu.
Já, og fyrir ykkur sem ekki vissu þá er þetta Mattías Mattíasson eða Matti Matt. Gefur hann gott klapp.
the silver mountain.
Þið þurfið ekki að hafa neinar áhyggjur, það verður nóg af löngum og háum nótum og nóg af gítarsólóum, þannig að ekkert stress, þetta verður allt þarna. Spilum bara rólega, aðeins rólegar. The dream she come to me. Love, she'll touch my fingers, a bed of straw against the lake. Cast the rainbow like the wind to the sun. Sail away with ships of water. The life's not a wheel, a race made of steel. So touch me. Come
Heyrðu, verðum við ekki að klappa aðeins fyrir þessari hljómsveit hérna. Það eru ekki margir á sviðinu yfir 20 hérna í kvöld. Og hún Beta hérna í 14 ára, come on. Toppiði það. Þú verður að gera þetta eins og meistari, sko. En hérna Dio söng tíma með hljómsveitinni Black Sabbath. Og við ætlum að syngja 2 Black Sabbath lög. Og það þarf náttúrulega að skipta gítar fyrir þetta, sko. Því að það tjúnað aðeins niður, það meira rock. Gjörðu svo vel, Heaven and Hell. Siggen á gítar, hann alveg með þetta. Smá meira Sabbath.
Takk fyrir.
It was starting to rain on the night that they first decided. It was falling with snow on the night that they ran away. They were found in the dark, but they never returned. Just let somebody slam the door. Bang! Yeah! She was meant to be wild, she was clearly a child, while they only could feel each other. Every paper and fire, rage and a lion, the devil upon another. They were thrown to the ground with a terrible sound, just like somebody broke her heart. Rock and roll children, alone again. Rock and roll children, without a pain. Rock and roll. It was starting to rain on the night that they cried forever. Wow! It was blinding with gold on the night that they screamed goodbye. They were lost in the dark, but they never returned. Just like somebody slammed the door. And rock and roll children, alone again. Rock and roll children, without a pain. Rock and roll children, tearing up the night. Rock and roll children. It was starting to rain, and the night that they ran, it was blinding the snow on the night they let them go. We're rock and roll children, tearing up the night. Rock and roll children, oh, children.
Við ætlum að taka eitt lag í viðbót áður en við tökum stutta pásu og við skulum hérna á bassa hérna Jens, algjör snillingur, Ívar, gítar, Júlíus á hljómborð. Hann lætur lítið fyrir sig fara þarna fyrir aftan en að gera alveg ógeðslega mikið, ekkert smá flottur. Og svo Beta á trommur alltaf og Friðrik á gítar. Long live rock and roll!
Rock and roll! At the end of the dream, if you know what I mean, when the mist just starts to clear, in a similar way, at the end of the day, I can feel the sound of riding on the wild once in your life, you could never quite be sure. And the different things and the simple mistakes, you would never feel insane to say it. All the problems for you, it's the least that you can do. Like a smile on the wine, I can hear it screaming in my mind. Lonely rock and roll, lonely rock and roll, lonely rock and roll. It's the best that you can do. Now the sound is everywhere. I can hear it screaming in my mind. Lonely rock and roll, lonely rock and roll, lonely rock and roll. Let it live, let it live, let it live. Lonely rock and roll, lonely rock and roll, lonely rock and roll. Better and higher the guns and the finest. Lonely rock and roll, lonely rock and roll, lonely rock and roll. Feel it around, make it watch yourself. Lonely rock and roll, lonely rock and roll, lonely rock